Okay, chef or no chef, we all have things that we struggle with when it comes to cooking. And I have always struggled with the perfect boiled egg. Sometimes I'd make them and they would come out perfect. Other times they're sticking to the shell and they look an absolute mess. And believe me, I have tried every trick in the book until one day I made a post about it on Facebook. And this is over a year ago. And my cousin, shout out to you, Jared, told me what he does and it works perfectly every time. And I've been using this trick ever since. So let me show you. Okay, so we have our egg. The top is a little bit more narrow and the bottom is wider. That's how you have to make sure you look at this, okay? So the bottom is what we're going to tap onto the counter and you're gonna hear a clicking sound. Now, you're not gonna smash this. You're not gonna hit it super hard. You're just gonna gently tap it until you hear that clicking noise. And then you know you've broken the shell, but you have not broken through the membrane on the inside. That's the key. This is how it sounds. And here's one more time for good measure. There you go. See, just slightly cracked. And you heard the little tapping sound. So once you hear that sound, you go ahead and put your eggs in your water. Okay, and then for good measure, I still add just a little bit of baking soda to the water. And then we're gonna let these boil and I'm gonna come back and show you exactly how they peel. Okay, my eggs are done. I'm gonna run them under some cold water. Okay, so let's start peeling. I got little ice chips floating around, but here we go. Gonna start peeling and look at that. That's where we cracked it. That's the part right there between where the membrane and the shell is. That's the part we cracked right there. And it allows the water and everything to get in between so you have a perfectly peeled egg every single time. Look at that. I could never get my shells off this clean. Oh my gosh, look at that. Perfectly. Perfect, 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 perfect. Look at that. And I'll do another one. Let's see. There's another one that's cracked enough. Let me crack it on the counter. I could, like literally, they would always stick. Always. Here's another one. Y'all don't even understand how this changed my life. Shout out once again to my cousin. Look at that. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So if any of you out there have struggled with making boiled eggs like I had and you try this method, let me know in the comments if it worked for you. I'm 100% sure if you do it right, it's going to work. Okay, and remember to like this video, share it with a friend, and make sure you follow and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.